everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Richmond Public Library's Full Steam Ahead. My name is Nicole, and I'm the teen librarian over at the East End branch. Today we're going to be doing a fun activity for teens and tweens, and that is glitter jars. So let's get started. So for this craft, I really like this craft because it's really easy, and you actually probably already have most of this stuff at home. And if not, everything you need is really inexpensive. You can get it from the dollar store. So to start off, what we're going to need is first we'll need a jar, and I've already filled it halfway with warm water. You'll need some more water in order to top the jar off once we're done at the end. You'll need some glue. You can use clear glue like I have here, or you can use glitter glue if you want to add some color to the water. And then you just need glitter. Now I picked out two different kinds of glitter. I have some sequins and then some really fine glitter. You can use just one kind of glitter. You can use foil stars or anything you want. I really like this craft because it's very customizable, and no matter what you choose, the end result always comes out to be really pretty. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Full Steam Ahead with Richmond Public Library. I hope you had fun creating your glitter jar, and I hope to see you again soon. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Bye!